Hi friends, how are you all? Welcome to our channel Study Hub 10th class. This is Shravan. Let us learn about BODMAS. What is a BODMAS? It is the order of mathematical operations. For example, if we have any two numbers and one mathematical operation, we can solve it very easily. For example, if we have 5 into 3, we can solve it very easily. Or else if we have 3 plus 2, this also we can solve very easily. 5 3s are 15, 3 plus 2, 5. But when we have the condition like 5 into 3 plus 2, here comes the problem. First, which one we should apply? Either 5 into 3 or 3 plus 2. Which one we should apply? So, the order of the application of these mathematical operations is explained by BODMAS. So, let us learn BODMAS in detail, friends. Then, let us apply it to some problems to understand the concept. Now, what is the order of BODMAS? It is bracket of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. So whenever we have a problem with so many mathematical operations, so when we try to solve it, we need to follow these order. First we should give importance to bracket. From the whole operations, first we should give importance to the bracket. In the bracket, first we will take bar, then after we will consider the bracket, then the flower bracket, then the square bracket. So this is the order in the bracket. Next, after bracket we will apply off. The second priority is to off. Off generally we take it as multiplication, friends. For example, 3 by 4 of, if we have some value, some other question. So first we will solve bracket and after that we will give importance to this off. Off we will take it as 3 by 4 into the simplified value of this bracket. So after off we will give the importance to division, then multiplication, then addition, then subtraction. We have seen earlier 5 into 3 plus 2. Before, it is difficult to understand first what we should apply, into or addition. But now when we learn BODMAS, which is given more importance, addition or multiplication? Multiplication. So first we will apply multiplication. 5 3s are 15. Then we will go for addition. 15 plus 2 is 17. Okay. Next, let us see one more example. If we have 2 into 5 plus 4 divided by 2. We have multiplication, we have addition, we have division. We have multiplication, addition and division. So, which is the highest priority, friends, among this multiplication, addition and division? Which should be given highest priority? Division. So, first we will divide these two. 2 into 5 plus 4 divided by 2. 4 divided by 2. 2 1s are 2 2s are, which is 2 into 5 plus 2. Now, again we have multiplication and addition. Multiplication and addition. So, multiplication should be given first importance. So, 2 5s are 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. 4 into 6 plus 4 divided by 2. 4 into 6 plus 4 divided by 2. Let us solve these two. Now, we have multiplication, addition and division. So, first is division, which is 4 into 6 plus 4 divided by 2 is 2. 4 6 are, then again multiplication and addition. We will apply multiplication first. 4 6 are 24 plus 2, which is 26. It's very easy. Now, we have multiplication, addition, division. Multiplication, addition, division. And we have also a bracket. So, which is to be given most importance, friends? The bracket should be given more importance. Like, I will solve the mathematical operation inside the bracket first. Like 4 into 6 plus 4 is 10 divided by 2. Now we have multiplication and division. So among multiplication and division, we should perform division first, which is 4 into 10 by 2 is 5. 4 5s are 20. 14 minus 2 plus 8 minus. So 4 divided by 2 is 2. Now let us solve the operation inside the flower bracket. 14 minus 2 plus 8 minus 2 is 6. Now inside the square bracket, 14 minus 2 plus 6 is 8. Now 14 minus 8 is 6. Here we have off, multiply, brackets, divisions and bars. So out of all of them, our most priority is to bar, then the normal bracket, then the flower bracket, then the square bracket, then the division, then the off, then the division, then multiplication, then addition, then subtraction. So by solving this problem, I hope you will get a clear idea of what is BODMAS. So now 7 of, which we will solve first? The bar. So 7 of 4 into 3 plus 25 divided by 5 into 12 divided by 18 divide 5 plus 4 is 9, and all the brackets are same. Now here we have normal bracket and here also we have normal bracket. So here also we have. So we apply the we solve the mathematical operations inside these three brackets. So 7 of 4 3s are 12 plus 25 divided by 5 is 5 into 12 divided by 18 divided by 9 is 2. Here we have a flower bracket which is to be given highest priority, but inside the bracket we have again two mathematical operations, multiplication and division. So division we solve first, then we multiply. So 7 of 12 plus 5 into 12 divided by 2 is 6. Now we have of, flower bracket and square bracket. So out of all this we will solve the flower bracket first. 7 of 12 plus 5 6 are 30. Okay. Now 7 of, we will solve the flower bracket. 12 plus 30 is 42. Now as I have said you before, of we take it as multiplication. So 7 into, which implies 7 into 42. 7 4s are 28. 7 4s are 28 is 280, and 7 2s are 14. 280 plus 14 is 294. So the answer for this the very big problem is 294, friends. So in this way we are applying BODMAS to differentiate the order of the mathematical operations inside a big question. So this is our part 1 regarding BODMAS, and in our next parts we are going to solve a little difficult problems and little complex problems based on BODMAS. So thank you for watching our video. Please do subscribe and like our videos. Thank you.